Today we're gonna try another contender in the Detroit pizza craze. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I found this in my local grocers. It's by the Motor City Pizza Company. You know, I'm from Detroit, and my favorite pizza, because it is the best pizza, is Detroit style pizza, which is a pan pizza. You can see how thick this pizza is. But I'm always on the lookout for new companies that are doing Detroit style pizza because, you know, there's something about Detroit style pizza. You know, maybe it's that sweet, sweet tomato sauce on top of the cheese, or, you know, the crispy golden edge of the crust. I'm not really sure, but I'm always looking for an improvement, contender, whatever. And so let's try cooking up Motor City Pizza Company. This is double pepperoni, by the way. So it comes in this 2-pack here. And if we open it up, what we have is a square Detroit style pizza, and then a second one right under there. It looks like it's probably about 1.25 inches tall. Or at least the tray is maybe 1.5 inches tall. It looks like the pizza maybe is about 1 inch tall there. Probably do a little bit of rising. You can see the cheese and the pepperoni, the round pepperoni, as well as chunks of pepperoni. So you're going to put this whole tray, it's like a little paper tray here, into the oven, and you're not going to want it hitting the sides. We're going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 425 and then cook this thing for about 20 minutes. Okay, timer went off, saying it's done. Woo, get a little steamy in here. Not from the pizza, that's from me. Look at that. Looks like we got some nice golden edges on there. Still bubbling a little bit. I'm going to let this cool for just a couple minutes, cut it up, and then we'll give it a try. So we went ahead and cut a piece here, and as I was cutting it, what I really like is how crispy it is on the outside. You can see it's almost a little crunchy, kind of cutting through that, and then you're cutting through this dough here, which ends up being very thick, and that's kind of like a focaccia bread almost. That's what it tastes like to me. And the nice thing about that is it gives you a real hearty piece of pizza, and I love that golden toasted cheese on the top here. You can see the spices and the tomato sauce on top. So let's just go ahead and take a little bite of this and see what it's like. So pretty hot. Man, that's good. There's a ton of spices in the sauce, which is really a signature of the Detroit style pizza. Obviously, it's really bready. It's cooked all the way through, nice and fluffy. Really, really tasty. I tell you what, even bad Detroit style pizza is better than all the other pizzas out there. But this is a really good one, and it's a 2-pack, so it's a good value too. Man, this is delicious. An easy way in 20 minutes to make a delicious, hearty Detroit style pizza. Oh, those spices have a little kick. I really love it. Man, it kind of warms you up. Got nice crunch and taste and feel to it. I might just finish up this whole pizza. If you want to pick them up, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.